Prime Minister Narendra Modi will begin his two-day Gujarat visit today evening by addressing Khadi Utsav at the Sabarmati riverfront in Ahmedabad. The unique Khadi Utsav is being organized as part of the Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav to highlight the importance of Khadi in country's freedom struggle. Justice Uday Umesh Lalit will be sworn in as Chief Justice of India today. President Draupadi Murmu will administer him oath as the 49th Chief Justice of India at Rashtrapati Bhavan. Chancellor of the University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM Makbubul Hoque and Padma Shri Trinity Sayo were conferred with the Governor's Award for Excellence in Public Service at the Raj Bhavan here on Friday. Country's export of pharmaceutical products has increased by 146% in April to July this year over the same period in 2013 to 14. Argentina has expressed interest in the Made in India Tejas fighter aircraft for Argentine Air Force. External Affairs Minister Dr. S. Jaishankar acknowledged Argentine interest in the Tejas fighter aircraft and highlighted the importance of the proposal in enhancing the strategic quotient of bilateral relationships.